up, YouTube? It's Hellcat J, and today is a cool day. I mean, I just finished installing the Vicrez wide body kit on my Hellcat. Came out pretty good. Working on it for like 3 days, trying to get all the tweaks out. It still needs a little bit of love. I'm gonna go to my local body shop, but I'm super happy how it came out. Definitely made the car so much more beautiful. I mean, look at that. Today, I'm also installing a Zoomer'S exhaust kit on a full catback exhaust on my Hellcat, and I did a lot of research. I listened to every single exhaust that you could possibly put on a Hellcat, from straight pipe to Corsa to Borla, and I found the Zoomer'S exhaust, and honestly I was just in love with the tone. I mean, out of all of them, I think it has the most true muscle car sound. It's like a deep guttural tone, and I just fell in love. There's not many guys who put this exhaust on their Hellcat, so I thought I'd do something different. I also got some carbon fiber quad tips that I'm gonna install, so it's gonna look real nice. So without further ado, here's a cold start. I'm gonna do some comparison videos. Okay guys, it's Sunday. I don't want to bother my neighbors too much, but yeah, I'm heading out to the exhaust shop now. What's up guys, it's Hellcat J, and I took a fucking major L. Both of my front fender pieces on this Vicrez kit literally flew off my car. This one seemed like it was secured really well. I don't know what happened there, but this one was kind of loose. I was gonna go to the body shop and see what they could do about helping me secure it, and wow, so both of them are gone. I'm so upset, but it is what it is. It's part of the game. The rest of the kit is holding up nicely, but I'm here at an exhaust shop in Flushing, Queens, trying to do my exhaust. It's one of the only exhaust shops open on a Sunday, so let's see how this goes. What's up YouTube, it's Hellcat J. I'm here at fixmuffler.com here in the Bronx. I am unboxing my Zoomer'S exhaust kit. We got the Hellcat on the lift. It's from the Catback. We took out the X pipe, the whole thing. So here she is underneath. I'm excited. What's up YouTube, it's Hellcat J. I just got my exhaust put in, got the quad carbon fiber tips. It's looking real mean, look at that. All right, so I'm about to give it its first cold start. Well, it's technically a warm start because it's 96 degrees out here in New Jersey. But let's give it a here, shall we? Oh yeah, I like that. Very nice. All right, I'm gonna pull it out into the parking lot. We'll give it some revs. All right, guys, let's hear some in-cabin revs. Let me put it on track mode so we get like the best sound. Ready? Ooh, that sounds nice. I'm gonna do it from behind the car now. liking that. Can't wait to hear the flyby. Sounds nice. It has a nice deep tone, which is what I was going for. I really hate raspy like too much, but this was perfect. It's a nice deep tone. That's why I went for this one. Nobody puts this kit on, but I fell in love with the sound from the few videos that I heard on YouTube. All right, I'm gonna do an in-cabin flyby now. All right, guys, this is a pull in my Zoomer'S exhaust. Second gear pull. Ready? Woo. Let's do that again. Man, this thing sounds good. Zoomer'S is no joke. The bass from that thing is sick. What? Loving it, loving it, loving it. Downshift in the second. Ready? Quick tunnel pull, guys. I just can't get enough of this Zoomer'S exhaust. It sounds so goddamn good. Alright, here we go. I'm just blowing it on automatic. Woo, baby! I love the sound of this exhaust. It's so good.